Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm taking you to Bohol. Let's go. And on we'll go. Alright guys, we are currently here at Ocean Jet. So the departure is 6 a.m. and ang pamasahe day guys kay 800 per person, Cebu to Tagbilaran. So yeah, see you there in an hour guys. Alright guys, we are now here at Chocolate Hills Viewpoint. This is gonna be our first stop for today's vlog. Finally, after pila ka hours from Tagbilaran to here, which is Carmen, it's more than an hour di ay kay saan pa mi kayo. Anyway, so see you up there. Hi guys! So, nanangawag na may kaberteng inita sa taas and wala dyan bigagwanta kayo. Tutok guys adlaw ang view deck. So, we are currently here at the waiting area. We're in mag-wait mi diri sa among number kay waon ra mi diri og shuttle going down. And look at that guys. Look at the stairs going up. So, ing ana siya kahabog, no? Nya init guys katanan. Na picture lang me and the video gamay and that's it. And now we are heading to our next destination, which is mag-activity pa dai me. We are going to try the ATV here. Let's go. By the way guys, daghan kayo upa. Look. Opa, charot. Dagan kayo mga kuan, mga turista here. But this is my oppa. Hey guys, we are now here at ATV Graham. We are going to try ATV. Let's go. not done yet. So, nag-stop sa midinhiya sa ilang viewing deck. sa Graham ATV. So na sila viewing deck sa taas, but it takes like pila pa ni ka steps para makaabot dito. And kuan siya ang view daw kuno dito. Makita jud ang Chocolate Hills and ang patag kung asa mi nag-ATV. So let's go up. Woo! Hello guys! So we are now here at the famous Tarsier Sanctuary. So they say nga dapat daw kuno kay hinayray mong tingog and then bawal flash kung mag-video o mag-picture because mas stress ang mga Tarsier. So let's go and watch our Tarsiers! Bawal magsaba-saba. How cute. How cute, just like me. Char. Alright guys, that was it. Yan siya kagamay ra. So now we are going to man-made forest. Along the road pud ang man-made forest. So let's go. Hey guys, we are finally here at the man-made forest. So look at the view guys. Look at my background. Look, it's so nice. So mag-picture taking kami. Look at the van or mga sakyanan, mga giragin siya. So kung mag-picture mo is like 1, 2, 3 shot, then hawa na mo kay maligsan niya mo. Alright, so mag-picture taking sa me. See you again later. Hey guys, so we are currently here somewhere at Panglao. We don't know what this called. We just saw it earlier kanang on the way man make sa among gi-search nga restaurant sa Google. But it's near Kanibitaw sa bridge going to Tagbilaran. Ana siya. So nakita ni namo and na observe namo nga daghan kay food, so we decided to just stay here na lang or diri na lang mo eat og dinner. It's already 7 p.m. guys. Wa pa may panihapon. Natulog mi gaina after sa man-made forest. So for now, let's eat our dinner while i-feel na mo ang ambience din niya and the music. And I think the food is good. Hey guys, good morning. So today is our day 2 here in Bohol. So I forgot to share with you where we stayed. So I booked this place through Klook. We are currently here at Midnight Inn. It's less than 1,000 pesos ang rate nila. Kaya nakasave ko sa Klook. So you should try Klook guys if you're planning to travel everywhere. Anyway, so this is the place. That is the entrance right there. And then, pwede ra daw kuno mo makapark if nag-rent mo og mga motorcycle. Pwede po makapark ang car actually sa gawas. And then, this is our room. Hold on, let me open. So, here you go guys. This is our room. This is the bed. Here's the bathroom inside. Alright. And naapod sila yung veranda diri sa gawas. So this is the veranda and there is a swimming pool nga walay tubig. And then here are the other rooms guys. Peaceful siya diri and if inyong tour is countryside, I don't suggest this place, the Midnight Inn. Kay layo kay siya sa Chocolate Hills, sa Tagbilaran or whatsoever. But if your tour is within Panglao, so this is the best place for you to stay. Alright? Yesterday, by the way, guys, kaya wala ginamo na kumpleto ang mga itinerary. It's because nagkulang among oras, lagi yung ilahang mga laganan din niya. But anyway, we're just going to continue today. So, mga mahaw sabi, guys. So, see you later. Bye! Guys, look. Here is the Bohol map. So, amuarang naadtuan gahapon is the Tagbilaran, the Tertiary Sanctuary, the Bilar, Manmid Forest, Carmen, Chocolate Hills. Yeah, gamay ra among naadtuan gahapon. Then we are currently here at Panglao. Grabe among biyahe gahapon from here to diri mo gusto niya.
Lagi, ito agi.
Grabe kalayo tapos gamay ra tong naadtuan. So this is the Bohol map, guys. Look. Here is the Panglao map. If you would like to do a island hopping, mga beach inyong trippings, then hiya daw kuno ang the best sa Panglao Island. Napod rin ang ilahang airport. So, yep. For countryside, moto. Alright guys, just a little bit of chika. So, what happened yesterday was, nakaabot mi din hiya sa Bohol kay around 8 na. So, paman may pamahaw, largo mi din hiya sa Midnight Inn to check if pwede na ba may maka-early check-in. But, unfortunately, wala sila vacant that time, so 2 p.m. ilahang check-in time. So, what we did is, we decided na lang to do our tour. And, nilargo mi sa Chocolate Hills, but it took us almost 2 hours kay galipot-lipot mi kay actually gisaag mi sa among Google Maps. So do not trust Google Maps, guys. Much better to use Waze gyud. But unfortunately that time wala ko signal, so wala ko kagamit og Waze. So gigamit na mo ang Android phone sa akong partner, which is mao na yung signal ang smart. Luckily nakaabot naman pud mi didto sa Chocolate Hills mga around unsa ta oras abot? Mga 11 o nigikan mi ha from 9, so naabot mi didto is mga 11 na jud kapin. And then after that kay magpila pa didto sa ilahang shuttle kay bawal man musaka ang motor. And then pagkabot dito daghan kay tawo, init kaayo, but it's worth it kay gari kanindot ang view. And after Chocolate Hills kay, ni-try mo ang ATV adventure dito sa Graham. For the rate for ATV adventure, its package is 1,000 per head. 1 hour na siya nga paglibot-libot dito doon sa Chocolate Hills, then mag-pictorials, tas naa sila view deck, mag-pictorials mo dito and all, and libot na po. And that's it for 1,000. Actually, sulit na siya. I don't know sa inyo if sulit ang 1,000 for 1 hour. For you, busing, sulit na itong 1,000 gihapon sa ATV. Right. Sulit naman siya. Enjoy. You know, mawabiyan na ang giingon nila nung nga. YOLO. You only live once. So, bahala na ang price. Basta, ma-enjoy ninyo ang show. Kaya mabalik mo daw ang kwarta. Mau ba? After our ATV adventure is Tarsier Conservation Area, which is tanaw mo ang mga tarsier nga perti kagagmay ingon ani kaggamay ang mga tarsier. Mag-picture mo pero to. The entrance fee is 170 pesos. Na-chika na nila ko sa inyo gahapon. But yeah, 170 for just viewing Rasa Tarsier. Wakay ko na-enjoy dito but it's fine. At least nakakita na ko og tarsier in person. And then after that kay kuan ra ang adto din mi sa man-made forest, which is highway ra man na siya. Lagyo mo gud ilahang mga laaganan diri aso. Kanang napatay amo ang oras sa biyahe ra, wala sa pagstay sa usa ka place. And then after sa man-made forest kanina dahil mi diri sa Panglao, natulog na dahil mi pagabutin niya sa hotel. So today mag-continue na lang mi sa among mga pitandon din. Manguli na dahil mi dayon karon later mga 3 p.m. among biyahe pabalik to Cebu. So, mag-check rata later and then ipakita na ko sa inyo ha kung unsa kanindot ang Lubbock River with floating restaurant. Hey guys, so we are here at Floating Cottage Restaurant. Let's go! For now, mupila sa daw mi kay 10 a.m. pa mag-start. Hey guys, we came a little early. So it's still 9:47 and mag-start ang Lubbock Cruise Buffet kay 10 a.m. So as of the moment, kami pa ang tao diri. Actually, nagnanay tao, but gamay pa kaayo. Like, kami pa. And later, mga 10 is maghatag na sila og priority number. At least kami ang naguna. We came here early, Jude, kay para makaapas ni later on sa mong biyahe pa Cebu, which is 3 p.m. So, hopefully, mahumanrag sa'yo din hiya and then makabalik din mi sa mong hotel para maka-adto din mabalik sa Tagbilaran sa port. And for their rate, it's updated. It's 1,000 per person. And I don't know pila ka hours, but later we'll know. And for the menu, mao ni siya. Hello guys, we are assigned sa boat number 7. Let's go. Daghan na foreigner. Try this. No, not this because it's crab. End sa river. So look. Paliko na mi. it's a wrap. We are done sa among Bohol adventure. Na ako'y pakita sa inyo ha, by the way, guys. Look at this. Muna ang timailahan nga nag-enjoy siya sa Bohol adventure namo. Napagod. Look at his face. Creamer. Coffee. Anyway, guys, so that was it. Na-enjoy ra pud ko sa amo ang 2 days, 1 night adventure here in Bohol. And for your information, guys, or I just wanted to share, nag-rent ra day mi og motorcycle. What's yung name? Busing sa motorcycle?
Your cozy ride.
Your cozy rides. It's 450, right? Per day.
500.
Oh, 500 per day. Full tank to full tank. And then if you would like to extend is 50 pesos lang siya per hour. Overall, nindot ang performance. And then, very accommodating ang tag-iya. I don't know his name. What's the name niya, Busing?
Wala.
Yeah, we don't know his name. You can search them online through Facebook. And that was it, guys. At the end of this video, I'm gonna share our DIY itinerary and our expenses.
Last na.
So it's lesser than Baguio. Char. Anyway, so I hope you love or like this video. And see you on my next one. Bye!